know many English words about family, like mother, father, brother, and sister? But when someone asks, "Tell me about your family," you suddenly speak slowly.
Yes, I know the words, but I don't know how to make natural sentences.
That is because native speakers often use chunks. They don't build every sentence word by word.
So instead of translating from my language, I can remember a full phrase?
Exactly. Today, you will learn 5 simple English chunks to talk about your family naturally. Today's chunk goal is simple. After this lesson, you will be able to introduce your family, say where they are from, say who you feel close to, and describe what your family usually does together.
That sounds very useful. I always want to talk about my family, but I use very basic sentences.
No problem. We will practice slowly, then normally, then naturally.
Great, I'm ready.
Imagine this situation. You are in an English class, a coffee shop, or a new workplace.
Someone smiles and asks, "Tell me about your family."
You don't need a long answer. You just need a few natural chunks.
Like, I live with my parents, or I'm close to my sister.
Yes, these chunks help you sound clear, friendly, and natural. Here are today's 5 chunks. Chunk 1, I live with.
I live with my parents.
Chunk 2, I have a small family.
I have a small family.
Chunk 3, my family is from.
My family is from Cambodia.
Chunk 4, I'm close to.
I'm close to my older sister.
Chunk 5, we usually.
We usually have dinner together.
Good. These 5 chunks can help you talk about family in many everyday conversations. Let's break down chunk 1, I live with.
What does it mean?
It means the people who stay in the same home with you.
So I can say, I live with my parents.
Yes, you can also say, I live with my wife, I live with my husband, or I live with my grandparents.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, I live together my parents. That sounds unnatural.
The better sentence is, I live with my parents.
Exactly. Chunk 2 is, I have a small family.
This means not many people in my family?
Yes, use it when your family has only a few people.
Can I say, I have a small family. It's just my parents and me.
Perfect. A common mistake is saying, my family is small people.
That sounds wrong.
Yes, say, I have a small family, or my family is small. Chunk 3 is, my family is from.
This means the place where my family comes from.
Correct. You can say, my family is from Cambodia. My family is from a small town. Or, my family is from Phnom Penh.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, my family from Cambodia, but we need is.
So the better sentence is, my family is from Cambodia.
Exactly. Chunk 4 is, I'm close to.
I'm close to my older sister.
This means I have a good relationship with someone? Yes, you can say, I'm close to my mother, I'm close to my brother, or I'm close to my cousin.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, I close with my sister. The natural chunk is, I'm close to my sister.
I'm close to my sister.
Very good. Chunk 5 is, we usually.
This talks about family habits.
Yes, use it to describe something your family often does.
Like, we usually eat dinner together.
Great. You can also say, we usually watch movies on Sunday, or we usually visit my grandparents.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, we usually eat together, but the correct word is usually.
So I should say, we usually eat together.
Exactly. Now let's hear a natural dialogue. Lena, tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger brother.
Nice. Where's your family from?
My family is from Cambodia. We live in Phnom Penh now.
Are you close to your brother?
Yes, I'm close to my younger brother. We usually watch movies together on the weekend.
That sounds lovely.
Thanks. What about you?
I live with my wife and my son. I'm close to my parents too. We usually call them on Sunday.
That is a very natural family conversation.
Yes, simple chunks, natural English. Now it's your turn. Shadowing practice. Listen and repeat. Slow speed. I live with my parents.
I live with my parents.
I have a small family.
I have a small family.
My family is from Cambodia.
My family is from Cambodia.
I'm close to my sister.
I'm close to my sister.
We usually have dinner together.
We usually have dinner together.
Normal speed. I live with my parents and I'm close to my sister.
I live with my parents and I'm close to my sister.
My family is from Cambodia and we usually eat together on Sunday.
My family is from Cambodia and we usually eat together on Sunday.
Let's do a substitution drill. You can reuse each chunk by changing one part. I live with my parents. I live with my wife. I live with my grandparents.
I live with my parents. I live with my wife. I live with my grandparents.
I have a small family. I have a big family. I have a close family.
I have a small family. I have a big family. I have a close family.
My family is from Cambodia. My family is from a small town. My family is from Phnom Penh.
My family is from Cambodia. My family is from a small town. My family is from Phnom Penh.
I'm close to my mother. I'm close to my brother. I'm close to my cousin.
I'm close to my mother. I'm close to my brother. I'm close to my cousin.
We usually eat dinner together. We usually visit my grandparents. We usually talk on the phone.
We usually eat dinner together. We usually visit my grandparents. We usually talk on the phone.
Mini challenge. Write or say one sentence about your family using one of today's chunks.
For example, I'm close to my mother, or we usually cook together.
Great job today. Remember, don't translate word for word. Learn English in chunks.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.
See you in the next lesson.